Hey everyone! In this video we'll install the latest Python 3 on macOS with Homebrew, set up a tiny development environment, and run a classic Hello World program, all in just a few minutes. Many macOS machines ship with an outdated Python version, which can cause compatibility issues. Getting the newest release ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and library support for modern projects. First, open Terminal and run the Homebrew command to fetch Python 3.12. After installation, type Python 3 version to confirm the correct version is active. This step prepares your system for any Python project. Now let's write a tiny script. We'll echo a one-line print statement into a file named hello.py, then execute it with Python 3. When you run the command, you should see Hello World printed in the terminal. A common pitfall is having multiple Python versions clash. Make sure /usr/local/bin is ahead of the system Python in your path, or use a version manager like pyenv for smoother switching. Also, always verify the version before running scripts. That's it. You've installed Python 3, verified it, written your first program, and learned a couple of best practice tips. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more quick Python tutorials and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.